like singing duck. Singing duck.
Look at that. You'll probably get a better shot once we get out of the car.
Yeah.
Alright, now that I'm out of the car, you can see better. I haven't been able to post very many, well, no videos really, because it's been raining and cloudy. But the moment the sky opened up, take this opportunity. Take shots of the sky. Lithium. They love spraying us with lithium here in Oregon. Here's a perfect example. And whoever comments saying that this is beautiful, I need to let you know that this is lithium. This is what they're spraying over us in Oregon all the time. All the time. So know that this isn't beautiful. This isn't beauty. This is toxicity at its finest. Oh, come on, focus. There we go. Someone's screaming. Anyways, much love to y'all, and do your best to prepare for this coronavirus. It may sound like a hypochondriac, but it's better safe than sorry. Blessings and love to you all, my brothers and sisters.